Hi there. Are you ready to start making more meals from home, but don't quite know where to start? A good starting point is your pantry. Follow along to learn what key items to keep on hand so that your next meal is seamless and, most importantly, delicious. Let's start with oils. Heart-healthy oils, such as olive oil and canola oil, are great additions to a pantry. Olive oil works nicely in several salad dressings or tossed with cooked vegetables. Canola oil is great for stir-frying, grilling, and roasting. With its neutral flavor, it is also a great substitution for vegetable oil and baked goods. Next, let's talk whole grains. From brown rice to whole grain pasta to oats and whole grain cereals, grain products are a staple to any well-stocked pantry. For added variety, look to other grain options as well, such as quinoa, millet, and amaranth. You can use these other grains in most dishes that you would use rice, such as stir-fries, in salads or soups, or as a side dish. As far as protein goes, we are not limited to fresh items such as chicken and beef. There are several protein options that can be stored in the pantry as well, such as canned tuna, canned or dried beans, and even natural nut butters. When choosing canned beans, try to stock up on items that are low in sodium or have no added salt. We'll discuss flavoring agents later that can be used instead of salt. Canned or dried fruits and vegetables are other great items to keep around. These items are handy when we do not have fresh versions available, or when fresh varieties are more limited due to the winter months. When choosing canned fruits, look for items that are packed in 100% juice and do not contain added sugars. When choosing canned vegetables, look for low sodium or no salt added items. To add flavor to soups, sauces, rice, pasta, and other dishes, low sodium stocks and broths are good to have. Chicken, beef, vegetable, and seafood broths and stocks are available, which come in canned, boxed, and frozen forms. Other great flavoring agents include Dijon mustard, vinegars, lemon and lime juice, dried herbs and spices, low sodium sauces such as no salt added tomato sauce, and salsa. When stocking your pantry, the herbs and spices listed on your screen are a good starting point. With these on hand, you are ready to explore a variety of cuisines. Now that you know key items to build your pantry, let's discuss some helpful tips. Keep your pantry clean, dry, dark, and cool, preferably away from heat-producing appliances, such as the microwave or oven, and the sink. Heat and moisture can cause foods to spoil and lower the quality of canned foods. After grocery shopping, put new foods at the back of the pantry. Move the older items closer to the front. This will help you use foods by their use by or best by date. Read food labels for storage information. Some shelf-stable foods must be refrigerated after opening. Never use foods from cans that have cracks, dents, rust, bulges, or leaks. Store open packages of dry foods, such as rice and pasta, in dry, airtight containers to keep foods from absorbing odors. Store foods away from kitchen chemicals and household trash. With a stocked pantry, you are now ready to get started on your cooking adventures. Go check out some recipes at the Strive for Wellness Health Library at www.mchcp.org and have fun.